Hi there. In this video, we are going to cover how to change an image inside a Figma Component quick guide. Working with components in Figma can significantly streamline your design process, especially when dealing with repetitive elements like profile pictures, icons, or featured images. Imagine being able to update these elements with just a few clicks. By the end of this tutorial, not only will you have mastered the art of creating a reusable image component, but you'll also discover how this technique can save you valuable time on your design projects. Let's jump in and explore how to achieve this efficiently. To begin with, let's establish the base shape that will serve as a frame for our image. We'll create a simple circle, which acts as a mask for the image. To do this, navigate to your toolbar, select the ellipse tool, and draw a perfect circle. Hold the Shift key while dragging to maintain the circle's proportions. This ensures you're creating a true circle instead of an oval. Picture this circle as the frame that will elegantly display your image. Now, let's choose the image you want to showcase within this circle. You can either upload an image from your computer or select one from the built-in options available in Figma. After selecting your image, drag and drop it onto your canvas. Make sure the image is positioned directly in front of the circle you just created. If it isn't, don't worry. Right-click the image and select Bring to Front. This ensures that when we proceed to the next step, the image will be visible within the circle instead of being hidden behind it. Here's where it gets interesting. Select both the circle and the image by holding down the Shift key and clicking on each one. With both elements selected, use Figma's Use as Mask feature. You can find this option at the top of the interface, where you can right-click and choose Use as Mask. This feature will crop your image perfectly, fitting it snugly within the circle. It's similar to cutting a photograph to fit it inside a round frame. If the image doesn't fit quite right, simply double-click on it and adjust the size or position until it fits perfectly within the circle. Take your time with this step. Achieving the right look might take a moment, but it's definitely worth it. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, let's convert it into a component. This allows you to reuse and update it effortlessly. With the circle and masked image still selected, right-click and choose Create Component. You've now created a master component, a template that you can effortlessly drag into any design without having to recreate it from scratch. Next, move over to the Assets panel on the left side of Figma. You'll see your new component listed there. Simply drag this component onto your canvas. Think of it as a versatile sticker you can place anywhere in your project. Here's the exciting part. Updating the image inside your component is a breeze, and it won't disrupt your mask or the underlying design. Double-click on the image within the component instance you just dragged out. When the image layer is highlighted, click the Replace Image button in the Properties panel, or right-click and select Replace Image. Upload a new image from your computer and watch as Figma swaps the old image for the new one, keeping it perfectly masked within the circle. If needed, you can make small adjustments by moving or resizing the new image, just as you did before. And there you have it. You now know how to change an image inside a component in Figma, enhancing your workflow to be both flexible and professional. Hopefully, this tutorial helped you understand how to change an image inside a Figma Component quick guide quickly and easily. For more helpful guides like this one, be sure to subscribe.